Soon you will begin doing the research for your 11th grade research project. Before you start selecting sources, it is important to think about what makes a good source that will provide the accurate information you need. The resources I have provided in this Padlet will help you learn the tools for evaluating sources. The internet is obviously a wonderful source for gathering information, but think about any downsides to having such free access to create and share information online, and add your thoughts to the discussion question on the Padlet. The sources I've posted for you here will teach you more about why and how we evaluate sources. The first 3 sources give you an overview of many great tips. Sources 4 and 5 deal specifically with web resources. Sources 6 through 7 describe a memorable method for evaluation, and sources 8 through 10 direct you to websites where you can fact-check information and sources you think might contain misinformation. I hope this lesson and these resources help you find the best material for your project. Best of luck on your research papers.